Hi, and thanks for joining me on the channel today. Good to have you here. So today I'm talking about 5 reasons why I bought the Dji Osmo Pocket, even though I use my GoPro Hero 7 Black for my vlogging. Okay, so the number one reason is the bokeh.
That's right, the bokeh refers to the f2.0 aperture lens, which enables you to get that really crunchy, crispy foreground and a nice buttery, blurry background. The GoPro cannot give you that effect. It really is lovely to look at.
Number 2 is motion lapse versus time warp.
Although it's only 1080p, this little video here gives you an example of what the Osmo Pocket can achieve. But compared to the Osmo Mobile 2, as you can see here, this really is special and it's really nice and high res. Now the Time Warp does its own thing, but I do really enjoy the Osmo Pocket 2 for the convenience factor of what it can produce.
Number 3 is the face track selfie mode.
Now, although you can only capture in 4K 30, I love the face track mode. It seems to work really well, lock in and follow you around. It's great.
Number 4 is the narrow angle of the Dji Osmo Pocket at 4K 30 selfie tracking.
This is all about the slightly different angle it's giving you. It's slightly narrower, gives you a tighter feel than the GoPro, which is great and different.
And number 5 is what I hope the expansion pack release will enable me to be able to do.
Now, I haven't received this yet, but I'm hoping that the action camera adapter plus the wireless connector will help me to expand the possibilities of using the Osmo Pocket. We'll see when it arrives.
Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit like, please smash the subscribe button too, that would be really good, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you can see any other videos that I put out as soon as they come out. Thanks again for watching. Catch you again soon.